Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 13, Sample Assessments and Approvals. In this video, you will learn why are sample assessments important, common sample types in garment manufacturing, lab dip and shade blanket assessment, size set evaluation, top of production samples, GPT, garment performance testing, PP sample, sample approval workflow, sample evaluation report, real case, rejected size set, key tips for smooth sample approvals. A single rejected sample can delay production. Getting it right saves time, money, and your reputation. Why are sample assessments important? Buyers use samples to approve product quality before allowing mass production. Samples ensure the final product matches design, fit, quality, and functionality. Avoids bulk rejections by identifying issues early. Common sample types in garment manufacturing. Sample type. Purpose. Lab dip shade blanket. Approve fabric color accuracy in different lighting. Size set. Approve fit and measurements across all sizes. Top. Confirm bulk matches approved sample. GPT. Approve wash, shrinkage, color fastness, etc. Pre-production. Sample approve final construction, trims, and styling details. Lab dip and shade blanket assessment. Compares bulk fabric color to buyer-approved shade. Evaluated under different lights, daylight, TL84, UV. Use light box for accuracy. Example. Fabric submitted appears blue under TL84, but greenish in daylight rejected. Tip. Submit 3-4 shade options for faster buyer approval. Size set evaluation. Checks measurements for all garment sizes XS to XXL. Ensures shrinkage, fit, and tolerance within buyer standards. Example issue. M size t-shirt length is 2.5 cm shorter than spec. Buyer may reject full size set. Corrective action. Adjust pattern before cutting bulk. Top of production samples. Pulled from actual bulk production. Confirms the factory followed all approved materials, trims, workmanship. Must be sent early around 30%, 50% production done. Checklist. Correct shade. Stitching and trims. Labels and tags. Overall presentation. GPT, garment performance testing. Tests for wash fastness, shrinkage, color bleeding, seam strength. Done in-house or via third-party labs. Required by many international buyers, Walmart, Target, H&M. Real example. GPT fail due to 6% shrinkage limit is 3%. Bulk cannot proceed until resolved. PP sample. Final reference for factory workers. Must include all final details. Labels, accessories, stitching style. Approved PP sample must be sealed and stored in production area. Sample approval workflow. 1 sample created by production or merchandising team. 2 QA team inspects sample against buyer specs. 3 corrections made if needed. 4 final sample submitted to buyer. 5 buyer gives feedback approve or reject. 6 approved sample is sealed and used as standard. Sample evaluation report. Fields to include. Style hush. Sample type. Measurements with tolerance check. Color comments. Trim quality. Workmanship. Defects observed. Approval status. Approved rejected rework. Real case, rejected size set. Factory, woven shirt unit. Issue, sleeves too tight in L and XL sizes. Root cause, incorrect grading during pattern development. Action taken, regraded pattern, submitted revised set approved. Key tips for smooth sample approvals. Follow buyer tech packs strictly. Maintain strong coordination between QA, production, and merchandising. Keep sample records and feedback properly filed. Always check sample before sending to buyer. Use checklists during internal sample review. Quick summary, Module 13. Sample approval prevents bulk quality issues. Different sample types serve different purposes. QA plays a critical role in checking, verifying, and improving samples. Delayed or poor quality samples is equal to delayed production and higher cost. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 14, Material Compliance Checks.